My channel, my dear lovely viewers. This video about the most recent task on Movement Labs and Movement Testnet. I know most of you are not really aware, and if you're not aware, even if this is the first time you're starting Movement Testnet, make sure you do this task. You're not too late. Just do this task. Even if you're not getting as much as people who started from the beginning, I believe you'll also be getting something. Even though this is where I also started my task as well. So first thing I expect you to do is add Nightly Wallet to your Chrome extension. You can use Orion for iPhone users, and for Android users, you can use Mrs. Browser. So here, what I need you guys to do is add the browser, import your Aptos testnet wallet. If you don't have any Aptos wallet, just create a new one. So like mine, I'm using a new wallet for my testnet, and because I just started as well, so I'm using an entirely new wallet. So here, we'll need to get the task. That's the sorry. We need to get this. I have them here. I need the link to the testnet. Minting. We'll be minting an NFT on tradeport. So which is this? So I'll copy this. Copy, and I'll paste it here. Need to paste. Control P. Just pay very good attention. It's very easy, but if you don't pay attention, it might seem so difficult because it can be tricky, but it's actually very easy. So just pay very good attention. So once you come here, the first thing we need to do is to connect wallet. And when connecting wallet, as I said earlier, the wallet we'll be using is Nike wallet. You can actually use Razor as well, but for the purpose of this video, I'll be using Nike. Then we'll click on connect wallet. And first thing you need to do before connecting wallet, go to your Nightly wallet, which is this wallet. Go to Nightly. You need to switch your wallet to Testnet. Make sure it's on Testnet. When you come here, you come to it's loading. Just give it some time to load. Still loading. So when it's done loading, you click on that menu button, which is this. Once you click on it, then you click on settings. Then you click on choose RPC. You can see it's currently on mainnet. Then you switch to testnet. Then you confirm. Once you're done confirming, then you come here. You click on connect wallet. Select movement testnet wallet. So you pick Nightly, which is the wallet we'll be using. So it will pop up the wallet for you to connect now. So once it's pop up, my voice might not be very clear because I'm having cold, so I'm just having cold. Don't mind. So here, just click on connect. Once you click on connect, it should connect for you to be able to do the transaction. I know some of you will be wondering, but how do we mint when we don't even have Faucet? So this is where Faucet comes in. You come here, you click on Faucet for us to mint Faucet for the claiming. If you don't have Faucet, you'll not be able to claim. Then the next thing we'll be doing now is to mint. We are minting proof of early movers. Then we'll come to mint. As you can see, 2,737,441 has already been minted. So just click on it for you to mint yours as well. So just hold on and watch. Then you see you can mint as much as 10. So I decided to click 10. You can't mint more than 10 at a time though. So I decided to pick 10. Then I'll click on mint. So it will pop up for me to confirm the transaction in my wallet. Just give it some time for it to load up. Don't be in a rush. Just pay attention and just follow it gradually. It's here to pop up. Just give it some time. It will pop up. If it doesn't pop up, you can click it once again. Click on mint. So you can see I clicked once again. Then click on mint 10 items. I believe no matter how newbie you are, this should be easy for you to do. So yeah, then it will ask you to switch to testnet Bardock. Click on change. Once you change, it will be loading. Just give it some time to load for it to mint. Yeah, so it's open up for us to confirm transaction now. Then click on approve. So once we approve, that's actually just the NFT we need for us to be able to get the role on our Discord. But there are some other NFTs I saw that we can mint on testnet today. So just for the sake of just having enough activity and having just more than just what we have to do, we don't know if there could be a multiplier or something. So just for the purpose of just doing more, just going beyond bar. So I'll be showing you some other NFTs you can just decide to mint. So it's not compulsory, but I just feel it's important. Like it will be helpful along the way. So let's just wait for the transaction to be done. So as you can see, it says congrats, successful mint. Even though it's kind of the probably there's congestion on the chain on the testnet particular testnet stuff. So that's why it's not showing the NFT, but normally it's so you can see it has shown. It has shown early mover, so that means we've been able to click. I clicked twice, so the second transaction is still loading, so I don't really need it anymore since the first one is done already. So I'll go back to mint. Let's go back to mint so that I will show you some other ones you can decide to mint. There are some NFTs that are also related to movement project. So we have the movement tab key, which I will show you now. It's also a part of movement, and so you can see this is it. This is another movement here, which is this. I just decide to mint it as well. There's another movement here, another movement edition. I just decide to mint, even if it's just few. Must not necessarily mint 10, just to save your, because you can only play Faucet once every 24 hours. So you can just save save yourself the stress of minting, claiming faucet every hour. So let's mint two. Click on mint two items. So we wait while it's loading. Then okay, this one actually requires Aptos. Okay, let's just give it some time. You can see this is the fee actually, but it shows 0 Aptos, so it doesn't matter. Let's just watch if it will mint or it will say low fees. So you can see it's actually minting. Let's hope it does. So it has been minted successfully. So just to avoid making this video so long, while when you are running your own task, you can as well build so many other projects that are movement related. Like this other one, there are so many other. Okay, this is another proof of early mover. Okay, it's actually same as this, or it might be someone that just actually launched them. So to avoid wasting much time on this video, so this will be the last one I will maintain. I'll just mint one. Click on this or click on this. Mint one item. So just always click on change. If it pops this up, always click on change. Once you click on change, then you continue. You mint successful. After minting successful, the next thing we need to do now, after we mint all our testnets, then now we need to go to Discord for movement Discord. So here I have the link to movement Discord now. and I have it. Okay, this is not the link. Let me get a link to movement Discord. The link to the Discord should be here. Okay, this is it. So I have to put them like this so that I can be able to I can paste it in my WhatsApp channel for those who are in my WhatsApp channel. So that's how I arrange them for. Okay, so we'll open a new tab. So after creating a new tab, we paste. I'll paste the Movement Lab Discord link. Please, you need to pay very, very good attention here. If you don't pay attention here, you might not be able to get the role. You need to pay attention to see what I'll be doing for me to be able to get the role. So the role doesn't come instant, but you will still decide that yes, you've done what you're supposed to do. You just need to wait a little bit for you to get the role. So pay very, very good attention, please. Make sure you pay attention. So now, just click on accept invite. You need to accept invite for you to be able to join the channel, because if you don't join the channel, there's no way you can get your role. And if you don't accept invite, there's no way you can even get into the server for you to even before you even think of getting a role. So just pay attention and watch what I do. I know this particular task, it's not something that will last long, and that's why I could not wait. I had to just do the video. Like, I'm not too strong, but I just had to do the video because I don't. It might be ending anytime soon. So I don't like you guys procrastinating. Once you see video, just run them immediately because you never can tell. So now click on this. I have read and agreed the rules. Then click on submit. Once you click on submit, then click on start verification. Just make sure you are following them as I'm doing them. Then now they said we should select new moon. We all know how a new moon looks like. So we need to check these options, these 5 options, to see what looks like a new moon. So as you can see here, what looks like a new moon is new moon. Is this a new moon? Should be half. Okay, that means it's a full moon there. Don't mind me. Scooter. Okay, I'll pick a scooter. This is a scooter here. Don't mind me, I'm not a science person, so don't blame me for not recognizing a new moon. So here, as you can see, it's successful. Then the next thing I expect you to do is just come back here, search here. You can see the server is not yet fully opened. So I'll go to verify backup. Since verification did not do completely, so I'll click on verify here. Then it will show you some answer, you can see this. You need to this puzzle now. You need to solve it, which is ROKXQS. ROKXQS. So sorry, answer, which is ROKXQS. No, sorry, ROKXQS. Submit. So it's done already. It's already done. You can see it's already showed verify. So you can see all the servers are open now. So what you need to do now is just scroll down gently, and no, sorry, find where you would see NFTs, which is this. So you can see NFT here, NFTs. So once you come to NFTs, you show verify movement wallet. Make sure you're using the exact same wallet you use for the task to avoid complications. Just click on verify now. It will request you to connect the same wallet we just use to do the task. Then it will redirect you to the site where you connect your wallet. So now Once it pop up like this, you click on connect wallet to verify. Click on the same nightly wallet we use for the task, so that you'll be able to get your role. If not, you'll not be getting the role. So that is why it is very, very important. So please make sure you're using the same wallet. So authorize verification, then approve. You see, they said verification complete. Please allow 5 minutes for roles to be assigned. So now they will redirect back to tradeport where we were doing the minting of NFTs. So after 5 minutes, your role will arrive. Would For you to know what your role is, the best thing you need to do is just go to one of the channel, like one of the server. You see, maybe if you see any room for GMGN, or you can just go to English server or something, just anywhere that you can, it's open for chats. You can just go to general, you can just say things like, just hold on, you can just say GM, just to have your message. And it appears, that's when you'll be able to see. For example, if you say GM, okay, so you can see in the server, the GM is not allowed. So now I can just click my name in the server to see what role I carry. You can see I now have the role. I was here before TG, then I have the role movers. So you can see I have the two roles now. So which means we are done. So thank you very much for watching my video, guys. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you very much.